need the bread. Take the bread out of the paper. Oh, lovely loaf of bread. Then you need a bread knife. I make a nice cut. Nice and slowly. Make sure you don't cut yourself. Be careful. Nice and steady. You don't want to do it too fast because you don't want to cut the whole lid right off. Okay, now let's see. Can we open it? Yeah. So we open it slowly. Yeah, and we don't want to break it, so be careful. So we just want to open it like that. Beautiful. Now we're going to cut out the inside to make space for the skeleton, so it will fit nicely inside the coffin. Cut deeper and deeper. Make sure you don't cut through the crust. And now we can open up the inside of the loaf just like a nice duvet. You grab deep inside here, all the way to the bottom. And then, oh, yeah, you can do it. You can do it. Come on. The duvet of doom. Oh, and you lift it right out. And then you get some of those haunted crumbs out. Now make sure you keep the crumbs because them you can feed to the birds. Then you got to do the same thing with the top of the loaf. There, now before we put the skeleton inside, let's decorate the coffin with a nice skull. So I'm going to use one of those cake decorating thingies. I start with a nice outline of a skull. Then I draw the eyes, the nose and the teeth. And then a nice line around the coffin. And finally, rest in peace. Yeah. Now, before I pop the skeleton in, I'm going to remove the legs because they're a little bit too long. There. Okay, pal. In you go. Like that. And then, your legs, sir. Would you like your legs? Yeah, there. Everything set? Okay. Thank you very much. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Ooh. Ho, ooh, ooh. This will freak out your undead friends. All you need now is some haunted sausages.